welcome. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I consider you guys doing so. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about this video today. It's Ragas of Awesome, and it's this blue box for boys and girls ages 4 to 12 years old. And it only stops at 12 years old. So what this box is it's not a subscription box, and there's actually no fees hidden. They do, however, charge you a $5 fee per box, depending on how many kids you have. So let's say I have 3 boys, and my son's actually here. I have 3 boys, and they charge me $5 per child. And then that's it. But if you decide to keep the whole box, they will take out certain items that you actually choose for your son or daughter, and that's the only best part about it, is that it's not a subscription box, and it looks like this. And these boxes only have like spring and summer only. I mean spring, summer, fall, and winter, so 4 seasons. And so this is the invoice. I don't know if you guys can see that, since everything is like all squished up. And that's the invoice. And then we're just gonna go ahead right into it. My son's in a verge of crying. Oh no! Alright, so that's the first one. And then so yeah. And that's, some of these don't have prices on them, but they do have prices on that invoice. And then and the second item is this vest or tank top. What does this say? Goals. And then again, size 12. This is for my 13-year-old Andrew. And red is his favorite color. And this is 10 and 12 ombre active short right there. Colors are so bright for the weather. Alright, and then this is We Are Awesome. And this is 10 and 12. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I keep and what I don't, I'm still debating to see what they will fit in these. I will definitely let you guys know. Size 12. And if you guys like anything, let me know in the comments down below too. I love these. These are so pretty. And so soft and so thin. Makes me want to go to the beach now, but I'm actually getting over a cold. I've been sick, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but my voice is cracking on me. Size 12. I've been eating like hundreds of Halls, which is not good, but yeah, trying to make myself feel better so I can take care of myself and my babies. And the hardest part is cooking for all of them. Oh, okay, alright, I know. You want to be featured in the next video? Yeah. Yes, I guess you want to be in one, right? Size 12. Right there. This is just a plain old short, which is needed in the summer. Alright. And the last item is goggles. So it's just simple, nothing too fancy, especially for boys. Boys don't have dresses as cute as girls. Oh yeah, I know. And then look at these goggles. Oh my god, don't they look like Men in Black? Look at that. I don't know. My son's crying, so I don't know about these. I mean, these look so high tech. They just look like sunglasses. They look like they do look like Men in Black and Star Wars. I wonder if you can wear this going to the movie theater. Yeah. But I will definitely let you guys know how much it is. Super anti-fog. Can you actually use these for play sports? No. I don't think so. Yeah, because it's really dark. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video for my 13-year-old. Okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, okay, let's go. Let's go. Alright, say hi. And then, and again, as I was saying, sorry, if you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like anything in here, let me know in the comments down below. I'll leave down a link down below to see where you guys can actually get this. And if you guys want to know more about it, you can go and read to see if you guys like this box. If you guys do, let me know in the comments down below too. If you guys have any comments, questions, I would be gladly answer them. And I hope to see you again in my third unboxing video of this Rockets of Awesome. And say bye, Aiden. I know, kind of cranky. So, and again, see you guys soon. Bye bye.